ever had a really bad day and wanted to tell someone about it, but you didn't know how to say it in English?
Yeah, like everything goes wrong and you just want to talk, but the words don't come out.
Exactly. You feel frustrated, tired, maybe even angry, but you can't express it.
And then you just say, my day was bad, and that's it. But it doesn't feel like enough.
Right? Today, we're going to help you talk about your bad days in English, naturally and easily. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast.
We're from Speak It Well English, and we're so glad you're here with us today.
I'm Emma, and this is my friend.
I'm Jake, and today's topic is something we all experience.
Yeah, bad days. We all have them, right?
Oh, absolutely. Some days are just rough.
And it's important to know how to talk about them. Not just say, bad day, but really express how you feel.
Exactly. So let's learn how to do that today.
Jake, tell me, when was the last time you had a really bad day?
Oh, actually, it was last week.
Really? What happened?
Okay, so I woke up late. My alarm didn't go off.
Oh no, that's the worst way to start a day.
I know. So I rushed to get ready. I didn't even have breakfast.
And then?
Then I got stuck in traffic for like an hour. I was already late and the traffic made it worse.
That sounds so stressful.
It was. And when I finally got to work, my boss was upset because I missed an important meeting.
Oh man, that's really bad.
Yeah, and you know what? I wanted to call my friend and tell him about it, but I didn't know how to say it all in English.
See? That's exactly why we need today's episode.
Right. So let me ask you, our listeners, have you ever had a day like this? A day where everything went wrong?
If yes, stay with us. We'll teach you how to talk about it, step by step. All right, so let's start with the basics. How do you begin talking about a bad day?
Yeah. What's the first thing you should say?
Well, you can start with simple phrases like, I had a rough day today.
Or, today was terrible.
Or even, everything went wrong today.
These are simple but effective, right?
Exactly. They tell the person right away that you had a bad day.
What if you want to sound more natural, more like a native speaker?
Good question. You can say things like, today was a disaster, or what a day.
Oh, I like what a day. It sounds very natural.
Yeah. Or you can say, I've had better days, which is a polite way to say your day was bad.
So there are many ways to start the conversation.
Exactly. Choose the one that feels right for you.
All right, so you've told someone your day was bad. What's next?
Next, you explain what happened. You give details.
But how do you do that without sounding boring or confusing?
Great question. You use sequence words, words that show the order of events.
Like what?
Like first, then, after that, next, finally.
Oh, those words help organize the story.
Exactly. Let me give you an example. First, I woke up late. Then, I missed the bus. After that, I spilled coffee on my shirt.
See how clear that is? You can follow the story easily.
Right, and it sounds natural, not robotic.
What if something happened at the same time?
Good point. You can say, while I was rushing to work, I forgot my phone at home.
Or, as I was leaving, it started raining.
Exactly. While and as help you talk about two things happening together.
This is really helpful.
It is. Think of it like building with blocks. Each word is a block that makes your story stronger. Now, let's talk about step 3, expressing your feelings.
Oh, this is important because it's not just about what happened, but how you felt.
Exactly. So how do you express feelings in English?
Well, you can say, I felt stressed, or I was so frustrated.
Yes, or I felt overwhelmed, which means you had too much to handle.
What about anger?
You can say, I was really annoyed, or it made me so angry.
And if you felt sad,
I felt down, or I was upset.
these are all simple but powerful words.
Exactly. And here's a tip. Use so or really to make it stronger.
Like, I was so tired, or I felt really overwhelmed.
Yes, it adds emotion to your words.
What if you want to describe the feeling more?
You can use comparisons, like, I felt like I was drowning in problems.
Or it felt like the world was against me.
Exactly. Metaphors make your feelings more vivid and real.
I love that. It's like painting a picture with words.
Exactly. The person listening can really understand how you felt.
All right, what's step 4?
Step 4 is talking about the small things that made it worse.
The small things.
Yeah, sometimes it's not just one big problem, it's many little problems that pile up.
Oh, like the last straw.
Exactly. You know that phrase?
Yeah, it means the final thing that makes you lose patience.
Right. Like, I was already having a bad day, and then I lost my keys. That was the last straw.
So how do you talk about these little problems?
You can say, on top of that, or to make things worse.
Oh, like I was late for work. On top of that, I spilled coffee on myself.
Exactly. Or, I missed my bus. To make things worse, it started raining.
These phrases connect the problems together.
Yes, they show that one bad thing led to another.
It's like dominoes falling, one after another.
Perfect metaphor. That's exactly what it feels like. Okay, and the last step, step 5.
What is it?
End on a positive note, or at least a hopeful one.
Why is that important?
Because even though you had a bad day, you don't want to stay in that negative feeling forever.
Right, you want to move forward.
Exactly. So how do you do that?
You can say things like, but tomorrow will be better.
Or, at least it's over now.
Or, I'm just glad the day's done.
Yes, these phrases show that you're not stuck in the bad day, you're looking ahead.
What if something good happened even in a bad day?
Great question. You can say, but my friend cheered me up. Or, at least I had a good dinner.
So you find the silver lining.
Exactly. The small good thing in a bad situation.
I think that's really important. It helps you feel better when you talk about it.
Absolutely. It's like closing a chapter and starting a new one.
All right, everyone. That's all for today's episode.
Thank you so much for listening and learning with us.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon. Your support really motivates us to create more helpful content for you.
And remember, every bad day is just one day. It doesn't define you.
You're stronger than you think. You've gotten through every bad day so far.
Tomorrow is a new chance, a fresh start.
So keep going, keep learning, keep improving.
We believe in you.
See you in the next episode.
Take